Hello students, in this video we will discuss an example on electrostatic energy stored in capacitor. This is question number 7 asked in UPSEE examination 2017. So we are shown a figure. The point A is connected to a source of potential minus 3 volt and the point B is earthed. The total electrostatic energy is stored in both the capacitors. So we are provided two capacitors of 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad. So in this question we are provided two capacitors with capacitances 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad which are connected in series across a source of potential 3 volt. We have to determine the electrostatic energy stored in the system of these combination of capacitors. The electrostatic energy stored in this combination of capacitors which are connected in series is given by U is equal to Q square upon 2C equivalent, where Q is the total charge on each capacitor connected in series and C equivalent is the equivalent capacitance of the combination of capacitors connected in series. We have used only this formula to determine the electrostatic energy in this particular question because the two capacitors are connected in series and in series the total charge Q on each capacitor is same. So both the total charge Q and C equivalent is unknown to us. So for series combination of capacitances C1 and C2, we can determine the equivalent capacitance as 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2. And the charge Q stored on each capacitor can be determined as Q is equal to C equivalent into V. So substituting the value of C1 and C2 in this equation, we get 1 upon C equivalent is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. So 6 is the LCM, we get 2 plus 1 upon 6 which is 3 by 6. So C equivalent is 6 by 3 or 2 microfarad. So we can substitute the value of C equivalent to get the charge Q stored on each capacitor. So the charge Q stored on each capacitor become C equivalent is 2 microfarad, which can be written as 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 multiplied by potential is given in the question as 3 volt multiplied by 3. So we get the charge as 6 microcoulomb. So hence the electrostatic energy is stored in both the capacitors or series combination of capacitors is given by U is equal to Q square upon 2C equivalent. So substituting the value of Q and C equivalent, we get Q as 6 square into 10 minus 12 upon 2 into C equivalent is 2 microfarad. So 2 into 10 minus 6. So on solving we get it 9 microjoules.